Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. And today I'm here to share with you a recipe which is mass popular recipe and no one can say no to this one, especially during the monsoons, and it is the Pyaz ki Pakodi recipe. This dish is almost loved by everyone and almost no one can say no to this. So you might want to try this one. It is very easy and very quick and tastes yummy. So you might not want to miss this one. Also, I'm doing this Pakoda series for the month of July where I'm going to be sharing so many Pakoda recipes for this monsoon season. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it so that you do not miss any recipe from me. Press that bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload any video. If you want to know how I made this recipe, then please keep on watching. So guys, let's start by taking 2 thinly sliced onions. To them, add salt according to your taste. Add garlic powder, ajwain, hing, turmeric powder, red chili powder, raw mango powder, and then give this all a nice mix so that all the spices are coated well on the onions. I will mention the ingredients list in the description box below so you can check it out there. Then add gram flour, that is besan, and rice flour to this mixture. Give all of them a nice mix again. You can do this by using your hands. Make sure that onions are well coated with rice flour and besan. Leave the onions like that for at least 20 minutes. Then add some water to it and then make a thick batter out of it. It should look something like this. You can use your hands to make this batter. Now add some hot oil to this batter. Mix the oil well in the batter. Next, take small portions of the batter and drop them carefully in medium hot oil. Drop in a few pakodas but don't overcrowd the oil. You can keep stirring the pakodas occasionally. Take them out when they turn golden brown in color. Sprinkle them with some chaat masala and enjoy your hot onion pakodas with tea. So I hope you liked this recipe. If you liked it, do let me know in the comments down below. Also, stay tuned for more pakoda recipes that I'm going to be posting in this month. Do give this recipe a try, and if you try this recipe, you can also let me know on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.